is no rhyme or reason why. The less it makes sense, the more we try.
Ano, more on excited.
Excited? Onting ka ba? Pero talagang excited ako.
Tingnan natin. Pero I'm not one to shy away from my emotions. Isa yun sa strengths ko, I think.
Really closer to being known. The one we all long.
Yung pinaka tumatak sa akin kay Carla ay sobrang supportive niya sa mga gusto mong gawin mo.
All it becomes fire. The soul it becomes the sea. When
We are praying for the success of the marriage of Dex and Carla. Oh, you should not forget the promise that you have made, especially this day, that will you love each other till death do you part. Sabihin, kahit na kamatayan, hindi makapaghihiwalay sa inyong pag-iibigan.
Carla, babe, siguro naman di ko na kailangan patunayan pa kung gaano kita kamahal. Pangalawang beses na kita papakasalan. Yung susunod na siguro sa 50th anniversary na natin. I may not be the most religious person, pero minsan hirap di maniwala at makomprehend kung paano ka dumating sa buhay ko.
Gusto ko na lang sabihin sa'yo na super thank you. You've been my rock, as in, sobrang hirap maging mom/mga anak, pero hindi mo ako iniwan. Thank you for being patient, understanding, and most of all, loving. Never ka nagreklamo, never mo pinaramdam sa akin na pagod ka na, kahit alam kong pagod ka na sa pag-aalaga sa akin and Kylie.
Thank you for being my wife. Thank you for being the best mom to Kylie. I know I don't say it enough, pero mahal na mahal kita. At mamahalin ka hanggang sa pumuti ang buhok ko.
what we needed, not what we thought we needed. Don't give up, don't give in.
Tapos kiss yan.
Watch it, waiting patiently. My heart is sure to follow.
Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Over here, you can see much clearer. What you wanted was always only what we needed. Won't give up, won't give in. Take everything we have and let the new begin. Won't give up, won't give in. Take everything we have and let the new begin.
Excited na akong tahakin ang journey natin together sa mga ma-accomplish mo in life, in your career, and as a wife, and as a mother. Again, I love you, Carla, my only kakampi.
ate ko sa'yo. You are a great husband and father to Kylie. I love you so much, my forever. And again, paulit-ulit kong sasabihin sa'yo na hindi ka na ulit magiging mag-isa. You have me and Kylie forever. I love you so much.